one as it should be because we are playing Danny's World as Teagan. Now we got a team but no distractor. Like, we need a distractor, right? Or am I just not good at Danny's World? Because we need a distractor. Oh, Poppy is distracting right now. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Now help. Or should I just buy life? Help. Yes, I bought a life. Yes, buy life. I already used my bandage. It was not fair to use that with me. I don't know why I'm talking like this because, like, I don't know. My handle still. We'll go for a pop. Because I almost died last time. No buy. I don't buy anymore. It is so hard to play like this. Because, like, yeah, I don't know if I can explain. But, please. Hope you all enjoy the video. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Cosmo, please. Cosmo, be nice. Goodbye. Oh my. Am I right?
Kapıyı gasol! Buraya mı terliyorsun?